Guys, we are finally here. Hello guys, so good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another vlog. So this vlog is going to be about my college trip, or we can say a picnic, which our department has organized. So we are going to a place called Ujirre. I also don't have any idea about this place, but as I heard from my friends and teachers, they said that there are many waterfalls and all at this place. And when I went through the Google map, it's like around 55 kilometers from here, the Mangalore city. So we will explore this place together, and we'll see how's the place. I hope it's beautiful and amazing. So see you guys there. So guys, college trips are always fun and enjoyable, with lots of adventures and memories. So today I am here to a college trip, which is more like a trekking to the Ermai Waterfall, along with our department teachers and students, all of us second years. While returning back, we are also going to visit Karinjeswara temple, which is on the top of a mountain, and we have to climb like more than 2000 stairs to reach there. And yes, to the waterfall also we are going to walk like around 2 kilometers. So as I said, it's more like a trekking than a trip. So guys, be ready, stay tuned, and let us explore this amazing and beautiful place together. So guys, one of our teachers' house is here, so we are going there right now, and I think we are going to have breakfast there. So as you can see here, so this is our teacher Swati ma'am's house, which is somewhere near to the Ermai Falls. So we decided to stop for the breakfast, and we are very thankful and grateful to our ma'am for letting us to have our breakfast here at her house. And yes, here she is. For the breakfast, we had idli and sambar, a common South Indian style breakfast, and a cup of cold drink. We ate well, and the breakfast really pumped us up and made us energetic. As for now, after a while, we have to walk for like 2 to 3 kilometers, that too on a mountain top, to reach the waterfall. So after the breakfast, we were all ready and excited about the waterfall. So we sat on the bus as we had to go a little further, and from that point there was no way further for the four-wheelers to enter. So here our walk begins. The name Ermai Falls may trigger memories of the ill-fated death of film director and actor Santosh Shetty on May 30, 2020, who drowned in the waters at the bottom of waterfalls while participating in a photo shoot. However, if one exercises proper caution and follow guidance by the local residents, Ermai Falls, located near Khajur in Beltangadi Taluk, beckons all visitors. Located at the foothills of Balarangana Durga range of the Western Ghats, Ermai Falls is surrounded by dense forest and is approachable only on foot. One has to take the Kutcha road near Kajur, on which four-wheelers can move for about a kilometer. One has to cross the Ermai stream thereafter and restart to trekking to cover the remaining stretch of about 1.5 kilometer to reach the destination. While the stream can be negotiated by foot during the summer, one has to walk on conventional footbridge made of tree logs during the rainy season. Ermai Falls is about 83 kilometers from Mangalore. One has to take the Didupe road at Mundaji village on Bandwal highway after Ujirre to reach the place. And yes, as we reached, the sound of waterfall became deeper and deeper and deeper, and we were finally at our destination. So guys, we are finally here. As you can see behind me, the very beautiful waterfall. My friends have already jumped into the water. So guys, we are done with enjoying in the waterfall. We played with water and we did just like kind of swimming and all. So let's say goodbye to this beautiful place, and we are now moving to lunch. So let's go. How was it? Vasanta, how was the waterfall?
Nice.
How was it?
Sexy, bro.
How was the fall?
It was good.
Okay.
Very nice.
So guys, I just wanted to say, like, if you want to visit this place, you should take some extra clothes if you want to play in that waterfall, under the waterfall. And you should take like some snacks or a water bottle to make sure you're hydrated, and you can have some snacks if you're a little hungry. So and yeah, that's it. You should take some water bottle and snacks with you, and you need to walk a little, like around 2 kilometers from the, because there is no like road to so that the vehicle can pass, but there is a way for the bike till that gate. You can, if you have a bike, you can take your bike till that spot before the gate, and you can do that. You can go to the, and after that you have to walk again. If you take your bike till there, then it's like very near from there, like around 500 meters of walk, I guess. Yeah. So if you have your bike, it's like advantage, but I would recommend you walking, like it's more better if you walk, because you can explore the nature, you can see the rocks and the trees and leaves around you. So you will have a good exposure of here nature. So that's why. So guys, we are at what Disha Hotel, right? For lunch, and some have already started, and we are waiting for our lunch. Boiled rice. This is puri, rice, and this is sambar. This what we call curry, sambar, curry, and dal. And this is majigi. Okay, and this is papad, and some pickle achar is also there. Yeah. So it's a nice thali. Oh, Pasta is having lunch. Wow! She didn't have breakfast, but she is having lunch. Wow! So cute. Share. Fayaz is
ಗೆಳೆ ಯಾರು ಬಳಗೆ.
So guys, before returning back, we are going to visit a temple. As you can see behind me, we have to go through these stairs. I think the stairs still up there. So guys, I'm finally here at the temple. It was really a very long stairs to climb from the down there to up here. As you can see in the time lapse, it was really a long stairs, but I'd like to say that it was really good for my health. It was really a good leg workout type of. So we are going to visit the inside of the temple. I don't know yet how is it, as you can see from here, a little view. But it was really a nice experience today to explore new place. And yeah, so I'll get you guys inside. I'm here at the temple. I'm just taking a round of it, as you can see behind me. Yeah, some monkeys are also here. Monkeys are crazy. Look, so cute monkeys. So guys, even I'm going to ring this. So I'm here with my friend Nikhil, so he's going to tell something about this temple. Okay, then.
You want to know about this temple? Okay, this was built about 100 years before, and this is a Shiva's temple actually. Like everyone likes it. You have to climb like 2000 steps to come over here.
Stairs, right? Yeah.
And the stairs, when we come here, you'll get that satisfaction seeing the nature around here.
As you can see behind me, a beautiful view. Yeah, so carry on.
And now we are going back. Our trip is over. This is the last place we are going to reach.
So how was the trip today?
It was good. We enjoyed in the morning, but now it is like we after eating lunch. Now it is everyone is sleeping. This is the last thing. So we climbed 2,000 steps. Now we'll see. We're going back. Done.
Okay, thank you for explaining about this temple.
Peace.
Yeah, guys, you can see it's a beautiful temple. It's a beautiful place, beautiful temple, beautiful view. It's amazing. So, Nikhil just got a Malaysian 10 rupees, right?
And in an Indian temple.
Yeah, so,
I'll show it to you.
but he exchanged it with a Indian 10 rupees. He put an Indian 10 rupees in the donation box instead of that, right?
I didn't want God to like punish me.
But do you know the value? But do you know the value?
I have it.
So guys, we had a great day, right?
Yes!
So I'm gonna end this vlog for today here.
Please do subscribe his channel
Yeah, thank you for saying that.
and like, comment
Yeah,
and share.
sure. So
Press the bell icon.
yeah,
Press the bell icon.
Very real good.
yeah, thank you. So we really had a great day. We got to see the waterfall and we walked like 2,000 steps up towards the temple.
Yeah.
And right now we are going down back to our bus.
Yeah.
We will be going back to our college.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
the
yeah.
temple was also really amazing. It's like located at the top of the mountain and it's really nice and the view from there was really beautiful and amazing.
Feel of
So without taking much time, I would like to sign off from the vlog of today. And like I think we are going to have an ice cream before leaving. So after that we are going to leave. So it was really amazing and fantastic, memorable day. We had lots of amazing things to share with you all, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. And make sure you, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and share and like, and see you guys in next vlog. Till then, peace out.
Peace out.